for drought assessment and prediction. Now I would like to invite Abdullah Nazir from Center of Integrated Mountains Research, University of Punjab, Pakistan. His topic is evaluation of inhomogeneity in the climatic data of Upper Indus Basin. Abdullah Nazir, please. Abdullah, can you hear us?
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes. Please start and keep in mind that you have to finish within 5 to 10 minutes and skip the introduction part as we are really short of time. Thank you very
Yes, sir.
much.
Uh, my name is Abdullah Nazir. I'm from a University of Punjab, Lahore. My today's topic is evaluation of inhomogeneities in the climatic data of Upper Indus Basin, Pakistan. Introduction. This study focuses to inspect the homogeneity in the meteorological network of temperature and rainfall time series in the Upper Indus Basin. Homogeneity is a significant problem to detect the variability of the data. Homogeneous climate series may be defined as the series only influenced by the variation in the climate. The factor that affects the homogeneity of climatic record, that is, method of collection of data and gauging methods, condition of the station, relocation of the station, and reliability of measurement tools. The absence of high positive correlation among the stations made the relative test impossible. Study area. My study area is Upper Indus Basin. Most of the catchment area lies in China and India. Due to this factor, uh, I only choose the catchment area which lies in Pakistan. Most of the data I collected from WAPDA and Pakistan Meteorological Department. The figure shows the climatic stations which have been installed by collaboration with WAPDA and PMD. Methodologies. 27 different stations were selected in Upper Indus Basin. Annual mean maximum temperature and annual mean minimum temperature and total annual rainfall for these 27 stations were calculated by using monthly data. Homogeneity methods like standard normal homogeneity test, Bundish range test, and Petit test were applied for testing the homogeneity of temperature and rainfall time series of this basin. Three different classes have been accepted. Class A, which is useful and which can be further applied to the research studies. Homogeneity was detected by at least one or none through these three tests with 5% significance level. Class B is doubtful, which is critical and can be further studies by critical analysis. After critical analysis, inhomogeneity was detected by at any two tests with 5% significance level will be categorized in doubtful class. Class E suspect when all three tests are rejecting the null hypothesis with 5% significance level. This table shows the climatic stations with missing values in Upper Indus Basin of Pakistan. Result and discussions. To check the homogeneity of the data, the homogeneity test uh, SNH3BR Petit has been applied to rainfall and temperature data from 1962 to 2016, which collectively made 56 years. Inhomogeneous stations of rainfall and temperature have been detected through these tests. SNHT test is used to find out the breaks in the start and the end of the data. BR and Petit is used to find the breaks in the middle of the series. Inhomogeneity in the rainfall data, 26% of the stations are found inhomogeneous through SNHT test. Petit and BR test showed 37% stations are inhomogeneous. Thus, 13 out of 27 stations are said to be inhomogeneous. Graph shows the correlation between SNHT petit test total, which includes 13 stations. Inhomogeneity in temperature data: 17 and 15 stations of maximum and minimum temperature stations are said to be inhomogeneous. According to Wingard criteria, 10 and 12 stations of maximum and minimum temperature are useful. 9 and 11 stations of maximum and minimum temperature are doubtful, and 8 and 4 stations of maximum and minimum temperature are suspect, respectively. Uh, Following the next three slides, which indicates the correlation between three tests: petite, SNHT, and BR test, which is classified into three classes: doubtful, useful, and suspect. Uh, 27 stations are categorized as doubtful, suspect, and useful. For example, first is Girard, which is doubtful, following the other 27 with minimum temperature, maximum, and precipitation. Using the GIS method, I have mapped out three different categories: A, B, and C, with following with the graph. Conclusion: through SNHT, BR, and petit test, homogeneity of rainfall and temperature was detected. Results were assessed into three different categories, that is, useful, doubtful, and suspect. The study concludes that 52%, 37%, and 44% climatic station of rainfall, maximum and minimum temperature, respectively, in the upper Indus Basin are homogeneous. The inhomogeneity doubtful in rainfall, maximum and minimum temperature were found in 33, 33%, and 41% stations respectively. Rest of the stations are considered as suspect. Thank you.